Chainlink is by far the biggest and most popular Oracle protocol in the crypto space. As an Oracle, the Chainlink network provides real-world data to other blockchains and applications so that users on those blockchains can enter into smart contracts with one another, relying on the real-world data that Chainlink provides. Hey guys, James here, and in this video, I'll show you how to add Chainlink to your portfolio, including what exchanges and wallets support Chainlink, what currency pairs are supported, and how to go about placing a trade for Chainlink. All of these services I talk about in this video will be linked in the description for you, alongside some other helpful videos and resources that you might need. Be sure to like the video and subscribe if you want more helpful cryptocurrency content. Chainlink is an Oracle network that takes data from the real world and feeds it into various other services and blockchains. By doing this, it provides data that people can use to enter into smart contracts. For example, sports betting requires real world results to be fed into the system in order for various bets to be decided upon. Chainlink is a network of nodes that input various data points like financial and price data, weather data, and anything that would be required. Those nodes get rewarded in Link coins for participating in the network and for entering the correct data, which is decided upon based on a system of consensus amongst the nodes. If a node gets something wrong or tries to influence the network in a negative way by inputting incorrect data, then that node will have their Link tokens slashed, which is essentially like paying a fine. And this should keep the network running well and keep the data as accurate as possible. If you run a node, you can accept linked tokens as payment for your work and even receive link staking rewards. For investors though, there are no staking options right now. There isn't a set timeline for this though, and as an investor, you can't stake link tokens yet, but there are other ways to earn an income on your holdings, for example, by lending them out on lending platforms, of which crypto.com is one example. Chainlink is supported on Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, with good support from smaller exchanges as well. Because Link is an ERC20 token built on Ethereum, you can use decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and SushiSwap to swap Link tokens with other popular ERC tokens like Ethereum. The most popular trading pairs are Link US dollar Tether, Link Bitcoin, and Link Ethereum. As of making this video, the market cap of Link is $11.3 billion, ranked at number 9, with a supply cap of 1 billion coins and currently 408 million in circulation, the price around $28. If you're a beginner and you're looking to pick up some Chainlink, then you might want to use Coinbase. Coinbase is definitely my preferred option for beginners. It's a really simple interface, there isn't too much going on, and there aren't too many confusing extras. Chainlink is supported on Coinbase, so you can come down to Chainlink here. We can see the current price of Chainlink over some various timeframes. And what's good about Coinbase as well is that it gives you trading activity. We can actually see that 71% of the trades are purchases with 29% sales, telling us that overall there is quite good demand for Chainlink. It's the number 12 most held asset on the Coinbase ecosystem. Moving down on Coinbase, you also get some good information about Chainlink. You can go and see the official website. You can also see what cryptocurrencies move in correlation with Chainlink. So Decentraland has a 96% correlation with the price movements of Chainlink. And you can see down here that actually these have a very low relationship to no relationship whatsoever with the Chainlink price. To go ahead and buy Chainlink on Coinbase anyway, you can come up to the buy and sell option, input how much you want, and then you can go ahead and buy that with either a credit card or a bank deposit. If you want to know how to use Coinbase, I have dedicated tutorials on how to use Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. I'll link them in the description for you so you can go and have a look. Coinbase is really simple, but the one downside is that the fees are a little bit higher than something like Binance. Binance has a lot more options and more advanced trading tools. We can come and have a look at the Chainlink price by going to trade, going to advanced, and then we can see how Chainlink is trading against the various other cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies that you're allowed to trade it against on Binance. We can come up to the fiat zone right here and then type in the ticker, which is Link. We can then come down and trade it against a bunch of other cryptocurrencies, including US dollar Tether and Binance USD. For a lot of altcoins, and Link is included in this, you may not be able to buy it directly from a fiat currency. So if you sign up for a service like Binance and you want to deposit US dollars or pound sterling on account, there may not be a direct market from pound sterling into Link. You'll have to check on a case-by-case basis and on the platform that you're using. Some do support various fiat currencies, and sometimes you're going to have to transfer your fiat currency into something like US dollar Tether first. US dollar Tether is a stable coin, meaning that it is a cryptocurrency version of a fiat currency. US dollar Tether tracks the US dollar on a one-for-one basis, but it's a cryptocurrency, so you can use it to trade against any other cryptocurrency. Let's choose Link against US dollar Tether then, which is essentially like trading Link versus the US dollar. We can see some prices here, and we can also put in limit orders for Link. So you can choose the price in US dollar Tether that you want to pay, how many Link that you want to purchase. It will tell you how much you have to spend, and then you can enter that limit order onto the system. If you want to know exactly how to use Binance, how to input a limit order, and way more, I'll link the Binance tutorial in the description for you that goes step by step through the whole process. One more thing I do want to highlight on Binance specifically though, that you won't get on a more user-friendly type of service like Coinbase, is the ability to trade up and down coins in Link. If I type in Link here, you can see Link down and Link up. If I click on Link down, this is actually a fund of futures in Link, and it allows you to bet on the price of Link against the US dollar Tether. Link down obviously moves in an inverse way to Link. So if you think the price of Link is going to fall in relation to the US dollar, then you can actually go long and purchase Link down. If you're a long-term investor and you have a lot of Link in your portfolio, but in the short term, if you think crypto in general will have a sell-off, then you can trade around your holdings and try and reduce some of the losses that you might have without having to sell your long-term holdings. Link down and Link up is supported by Binance, and there are other versions as well in the crypto space. As Coinbase is a consumer-friendly and simple service that lets you buy Chainlink with a credit card or cash, it doesn't offer those type of coins. Lastly, I want to come over to some investments that you can make with your Chainlink. Crypto.com is one example, but there are some others as well. If you go to earn, you can actually lend out your Chainlink and earn an income based on your liquidity provided. We can see that one of the tokens supported on Crypto.com is Chainlink. Other market participants may require Chainlink tokens for various reasons and may need to borrow them for a short period of time. People can then lend their Chainlink over and receive an income based on the liquidity that they provide. And on Crypto.com at the moment, you can receive around a 6.5% return on cryptocurrency liquidity that you provide. And if you have stable coins, you can receive up to a 12% annualized return. Like I said at the beginning of the video, you can't stake your Link tokens at the moment anyway. So using a crypto lending service like this is a way for you to increase the returns on your holdings. Chainlink has very good wallet support thanks to it being an ERC20 token. If you want to put your Link tokens in a mobile wallet, then Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, Coinomi, Exodus, and many other top mobile crypto wallets will work. In terms of hardware wallets, both Trezor One and Trezor Model T support Chainlink tokens. If you want a hardware wallet, I'd recommend one of those, and I'll put the link to Trezor below alongside videos on the best software and hardware wallets and why you might want to use them. Using a Trezor hardware wallet will enable you to safely store your wallet offline, meaning you can be almost certain it won't get hacked. It does take a learning curve and a little bit more work to set up, but well worth the investment if you're looking to invest in Chainlink and other cryptocurrencies long term. Anyway, that's the basics of buying Chainlink. You can sign up to Binance or Coinbase via the links in the description, and the wallets I mentioned in this video are listed there as well. Make sure to like the video if you got this far, subscribe for way more helpful cryptocurrency content, and I'll see you in the next one.